This is the Sparkelec Smart Double Powerpoint, a 10-ampere Zigbee unit designed for total control. First, scan the QR code. Install the Smart Life app from the App Store. Tap Add Device, and it will detect your device. Select Smart Gateway. Your main hub is now connected. The Sparkelec PowerPoint can work with manual touch, providing a sleek, modern finish for any project. For smart access, simply press and hold the button for 5 seconds until the LED indicators starts blinking, the pairing mode. Tap Add Subdevice in the app. The gateway will find the switch automatically. Hit Done, and you're synced. Now you can manage both sockets individually. Get the range at 𝐏𝐫𝐸 Electrical Supplies.